Hello, Cedric. Nice to
Hello.
see you again at a Groovy conference. You've just been talking here in an open discussion about the future of Groovy. I don't know, what are your ideas, your perceptions about it?
So to me, there are two key aspects of the future of Groovy. The first one is probably the most important to me. It's the IDE support, because you know that Groovy was developed by Pivotal for some years now, and they dropped support for the Groovy Eclipse plugin. And I think it's still a very important aspect of the future of Groovy, being able to maintain that plugin at least. So yeah, the community somehow has to find a way to do it. And I would say that the second most important aspect of the future of Groovy is supporting Java 9 in some way. So there are two sides of that. The first one would be just running on Java 9, and the second one is being itself a first-class citizen of the Java 9 Jigsaw module system.
I have to ask you this one, but I don't know. I don't know if you can tell me which are the best things that new Gradle model has.
Yeah, sure. So the Gradle new soft model, that's what we call it, is actually already existing in Gradle for several years now. People that use Android typically use it without knowing. Those who use Gradle with native builds like C++ or yeah, I don't know the name of the other compilers that we support, but they're already using the software model of Gradle, and that's something that is very interesting in the future. So I gave a talk this morning about that and the application in the Java world. And typically this is about improving the way you describe your application and let the build tool resolve the problems of building it. So instead of saying that you have sources, you will say, I'm building a Java application, I'm building a Java library, I'm building a Gradle plugin, a Spring Boot application, and the build tool will set up everything appropriately. So typically to have dependency management that is specific to each variant of the application. So that's all better modeling of what is an application in general.
Okay, so well, thank you for sharing this time with us
Okay.
and enjoy the conference.
Thank you.